Let's make Georgie rice. First, you're going to need a nice heavy iron pan with some oil in it, and you're also going to need some steamed rice. And I like to use a mixed cabbage blend, some chopped chicken, and lots of garlic. Brown that in the pan, set it aside. Also, prepare an egg pancake in the pan, set that aside as well. You're going to need some chicken tenders too. I buy them in the box and fry them myself. Then you're going to fry the rice and the cabbage together. Add the egg. Remember, lots of chopped garlic all around. Get the chicken tenders ready, some chopped garlic in there too. Mix it all together, the rice and the cabbage, make a nice mound. Put your chicken tenders on top. I like to add a little chopped kale at the end, it makes it look really nice. And then I like to enjoy